Trying to get your Hyperx to work with a Pixel 3. Problem is, you have to buy the adapter, which works. One like this brand. It's got a... This goes into the phone where your charger goes. Then you got an aux plug here. Problem I found was the rim on the plug hits here, so it doesn't go in all the way, and it doesn't. You get intermittent interruptions, and it doesn't work right. So you got to kind of chisel that out so your aux can plug in all the way. Let's use the edge of my Leatherman. Just be careful you don't mess up stuff. Get right in there. I already did it, but you can see how I kind of rounded the edge here. But you want to get in there and just round it off evenly all the way around. Before it was only going about here. Now it goes in a little further, and it's actually pretty sturdy in there. Do that and it should work a lot better.